In today's episode, we are making quinoa pineapple rice.
I already have pre-chopped the vegetables that I need. So we got the garlic, the red onion, the tomato, the bell peppers. So these are actually small sweet peppers. And then here, of course, we got the pineapples, chopped pineapples. I guess it's probably like 1 cup, 1.5 cups. And then this one, I'm planning to use this tomato paste because we have that in the fridge. So I wanted to clear everything in the fridge, the leftover ones. And then these are green peas. And I already have the cooked quinoa in the fridge.
If you like more recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.